Hey guys, it's Rachel with You Do It Auto Repair, and today I have 3 tips for driving in inclement weather. Now your first one is going to be your tires. Check your tread depth. Make sure that you have no less than 4/32 of an inch remaining. The reason behind this is below that it can be difficult for your tires to channel the water properly, making it easier to hydroplane and lose control. Your second one is going to be cruise control. This is really important. Never use your cruise control when it's raining, and especially not when the roads are dry and it just started raining. The reason behind this is with cruise control activated, the car is going to continue to power the wheels even though you're losing traction, and what you actually need to do in that moment is let off the accelerator. Whenever the roads are dry and it's just started raining, you still have oil and debris on the road that hasn't quite been washed away. It's just sitting there on the surface. And now water and oil don't mix, so when it starts raining, it's going to look like it's safer, but all of that stuff is going to make the road conditions even more slippery. All right, now braking. Whenever you start to feel yourself lose control, the first instinct is going to be to hit the brake. Do not do this. When you feel yourself starting to lose traction, you're going to let off the accelerator and coast until you feel the car begin to settle. Don't jerk the wheel. You cannot always avoid an accident in inclement weather, but you can lessen the severity of an accident by following these simple tips.